Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. And welcome to West Coast Finest. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of our new videos. Yes, click the link below to visit our website and get your order in for our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, it is made with 100% all natural ingredients. And yes, it's me, your girl T, dropping another video. Yes. Okay, family, thanks for tuning in. This is my client's current hair situation. As you can see, she has some severe hair loss in the front, on the sides, at the top, and she is wanting a bun and bang style today. Yes, I have to use my creativity to see how I can create this bun and bang style. Here is everything I'm going to be using to create this style. And yes, her bangs are versatile. She can wear them swoop to the sides, or she can wear them straight down like China bangs. Look at this style. Yes, I must admit, ladies, I did it once again. I came to the hospital as a generous courtesy visit for my client. And yes, look at this beautiful bang style. So let's jump right into this style and let's get started. Alopecia will not win. My client is in the hospital and has suffered some severe hair loss due to her medical condition. So I'm at the hospital today to create a beautiful style for her. Yes, it's time for me to use my creativity. And yes, today I am going to be doing a bun and bang style on her. So yes, ladies, don't think because you have hair loss that you cannot wear beautiful styles. These are the hair pieces that I'll be using for her edges to give her a hairline. And yes, here it is. So yes, first, of course, her hair was washed and conditioned. I am using our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, I am always using our hair growth butter, which is made with 100% all natural ingredients to promote what? Hair growth. Yes, it is packed with all natural oils such as black castor oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, olive oil, avocado oil. Yes, it is packed. Look how it is just melting into her scalp. And yes, I am giving her a deep hair and scalp massage with our G&G hair growth butter. And I'm also braiding these braids going up toward the top of her head. This is the first step into creating this style. So yes, I am going to let you continue to watch and see how this style was created. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please subscribe. Please hit that bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. And yes, tap save and share with your family and your friends. So again, I am starting off by braiding these braids from the back going up toward the top. And this is to help create this bun that I am going to make at the top of her head to cover all the hair loss. Yes, ladies, when I am done, you will not know that she has any hair loss in any places in any areas of her head. So again, continue to keep watching and see how I create this beautiful style. Okay fam, so we are just about done. I have installed those edges for her sides so that you will not know that she has any hair loss there. And now I am sewing down the bang. Yes, I'm attaching the bang to the net and to the ponytail that I made at the very top of her head. This is what's going to help keep her bangs secure so that they do not move, that do not slip or slide. So yes, I am sewing it down now, and again I'm sewing it to those braids. Remember her natural hair that I braided up? So yes, that's what I'm sewing these bangs to. Unfortunately, the lighting in the hospital was not very good at all. Although I had my ring light, the light kind of clashed, so it's still kind of dark. But as you can see here, now I am installing her bun, and as well, and again, I am going to sew that down to secure it to make sure that her bun does not move. This style is going to be very convenient for her because she is in a hospital and she's unable to do her hair herself. And this way all her hair is up, it's out the way. She doesn't have to worry about any combing, any brushing or anything other than the very front, which is her bang, and that's going to be very easy for her to maintain. So again, look at this beautiful style. It came out amazing. She loved it. The back, it's braided up with her natural hair, so she don't have to worry about that. That's going to be really easy for her to maintain, as well as it can continue to grow. So again, here is the sides where I attach those pieces so that you will not know that she has any hair loss on the sides. And that is her beautiful bang. Yes, her bang can be split or it can be combed straight to the front, but it covers everything in the front and on the sides. So here it is. Voila! Once again, I did it. So again, thanks for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that save button and share with your family and your friends. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.